Welcome back to Corporate Actions India, where we bring you the latest financial news that matters to your investments. Today, we have a lineup of market movers and shakers that you won't want to miss. Let's dive into the headlines. According to Mint, market experts are eyeing several stocks for potential gains. The recommended stocks include HDFC Bank, Piramal Pharma, ICICI Securities, Areda, and some top picks for day trading: Westlife Foodworld, Pidilite Industries, Tata Steel, Asian Paints, IDB Bank, and JM Financial. In a major financial development, HDFC Bank has reported a remarkable 34% jump in net profit for Q3, reaching R16,373 crores. ICICI Lombard has seen a robust performance with a 22% surge in net profits during the October-December period. Foreign portfolio investors have maintained their bullish stance, remaining net buyers at R656 crores on Tuesday. On the other hand, domestic institutional investors sold shares worth Rs369 crores. In a significant infrastructure development, Larsen & Toubro has bagged a mega order for the Mumbai-Ahmedabad high-speed rail project, commonly known as the Bullet Train project. IMF's chief economist, Geeta Gopinath, has shared insights on the global economic landscape. She suggests that interest rates are likely to remain higher, emphasizing that the battle against inflation is not yet over. In regulatory news, the Competition Commission of India has approved the proposed amalgamation involving Shriram Group entities. Let's kick off with Havells India Limited. The company has issued an intimation of the record date for entitlement of an interim dividend, provided it is declared on 23/01. Mark your calendars because the record date is set for the 1st of February 2024. Now, turning our attention to CG Power and Industrial Solutions Limited, they are gearing up to discuss the declaration of an interim dividend on 23/01. Next in line is Oberoi Realty Limited, considering the declaration of its second interim dividend on 22/01. Investors, take note. Page Industries Limited is in the spotlight as they contemplate the declaration of their third interim dividend on 08/02. The record date for this dividend is set at the 16th of February 2024. Get ready for potential dividends. IB Infrastructure Developers Limited is set to consider the declaration of its second interim dividend on 31/01. with the record date on the 8th of February 2024. Route Mobile Limited is also on the radar with plans to consider the declaration of its third interim dividend on 23/01. Make a note that the record date for this dividend is the 1st of February 2024. Puravankara Limited will be discussing the proposal for the payment of interim dividend on 23/01, and the record date is set for the 1st of February 2024. Another company to keep an eye on is Tips Industries Limited, considering the declaration of its third interim dividend on 23/01. The record date is synchronized for the 1st of February 2024. Mark your calendars for 06/02 as John Cockerill India Limited gears up to consider the recommendation of dividend. Dolat Algatech Limited is in the mix, contemplating the declaration of its second interim dividend on 29/01. Big news from Goa Carbon Limited. They have declared an interim dividend of 10 rupees with the payment scheduled on or after 07/02. The record date for this dividend is the 29th of January 2024. KP Green Energy Limited is shaking things up with the issuance of bonus shares in the proportion of 1:2. Mark your calendars for the record date on the 15th of February 2024. More bonus shares. KP Energy Limited announces the issuance in the proportion of 2:1, with the record date set for the 12th of February 2024. Brooks Laboratories Limited is on the horizon, contemplating the proposal of issuing equity shares through a rights basis on 24/01. Lastly, Franklin Industries Limited is considering a strategic move, with plans to raise funds through rights basis, up to 50 crores, on 23/01. Thanks for watching. Please thumbs up if you like, subscribe, press the bell icon and never miss an update. Share and comment your thoughts on the comment section, and stay tuned with Corporate Actions India.